Welcome to Jupiter Aluminum. Aluminum has been used over 2,000 years, but it is only in the 19th century that a process was developed to produce it in larger quantities. Every year, the main plant in Hammond, Indiana recycles over 200 million pounds of aluminum scrap into new coils destined to various markets: building construction, automotive, farming, and governmental products. The production process consists of 4 steps: melting and casting, rolling, annealing, and finishing. Aluminum scrap is mainly sourced in the United States and comes from manufacturing companies which sell unused aluminum parts and from scrap yards which collect scrap from consumers. The quality of scrap purchased by Jupiter Aluminum is further checked at the plant before being charged into the furnaces. Our furnace team constantly monitors the chemistry to guarantee the alloys produced. Molten aluminum is transferred at 1450 degrees Fahrenheit into a holding furnace which regulates the flow to the caster. Prior to being cast, the molten aluminum passes through a degasser to remove the remaining impurities and homogenize the metal. From the degasser, the molten aluminum flows directly into the caster. The twin belt Hazlet caster creates a continuous solid aluminum sheet whose thickness is reduced in a hot mill before becoming a coil. Once cooled to ambient temperature, the coil's thickness is reduced to customer specifications at the cold mills. This process operates at speeds up to 2,000 feet per minute. The rolling process hardens the aluminum sheet. It's a heat treatment process that increases the ductility and reduces the hardness to allow further processing. Quality control checks the mechanical properties required by the customer once the coils exit the ovens. Once annealed, the coils are tension leveled and slit to customer specification. Several quality checks are performed before packaging the products. Aluminum coils are either shipped to Jupiter Aluminum paint lines or directly to the customer. Jupiter Aluminum's process is in full compliance with U.S. environmental regulations. Its oxy-fuel technology, developed in-house several years ago, reduces its CO2 emissions by nearly 70% and increases melting efficiencies and reduces the natural gas consumption by almost 70%. Make Jupiter Aluminum one of the cleanest secondary aluminum producers in the country. Recycling aluminum uses only 5% of the energy needed to produce primary aluminum from bauxite. Aluminum offers an unparalleled advantage ranging from lightweight for the automotive industry, high conductivity for the electrical sector, extreme formability for the construction industry, and the packaging industries. Aluminum can be recycled almost indefinitely. Aluminum will probably pass through Jupiter's operations and will go on for a new life.